Hello and welcome to First Maths. Today I'm so excited because I have now got some colouring pencils from Peppa.co. And these colouring pencils are special because they are made from recycled paper. They don't contain wood from a tree, which means that by buying these pencils, I have saved a forest or a wood or a tree. So let's have a look. What is on offer here? This is reimagining pencil sustainably. It is Spectrum, and if you look at the bottom, it is fine art, and it's recycled paper pencils that burst into colour. So, why Peppa? Spectrum pencils let you create beautiful artwork with 10 different colours of soft lead. Spectrum pencils are made from recycled paper and help safeguard the planet by mitigating deforestation. Ideal for colouring, illustrations, doodling and journaling, with its deep colour saturation, conserves our environment and forests as well. So, Peppa.co, reimagining pencils sustainably. But the big question, of course, as always, is how well do they colour? Have a look. Here it is. As you can see, the colours come out really, really nicely. They're bright, they're bold, and they are easy to use. The pencils are hard, I don't bend them. They are nice to touch, and if you look at the ends, they are made from just rolled recycled paper. I would highly recommend anyone to have them because they make a lovely, unique present and help us to save the planet. If you like this video, please subscribe and watch more of my videos about pencils, recyclable pencils, and how to create your own plantable pencils. Have a great day. Bye.